Dear students, as you are undoubtedly sequestering yourselves inside your homes, surrounded by the protective walls of a fort constructed of toilet paper, which you wrangled out of the hands of an elderly person whom you punched in the face, I have a few brief announcements. As you probably already know, we USU professors have been ordered to push everything, absolutely everything for our classes online, including our own colonoscopy results. As a consequence, please note the following. First, our remaining quizzes will all be done through Canvas. To take them, go to our class's Canvas homepage, click Quizzes on the left panel, and then click the quiz you want to take. You have a 10-minute time limit for each quiz once you start. Each quiz remains available until 11:59 p.m. on that quiz's date, according to our class syllabus/schedule. Second, you still have to finish and email me your problem sets according to their due dates on our class schedule. As before, I will give just one grade for your entire group, so please only send me one problem set per group. I'll leave it to you to determine how best to coordinate your work with your group members. Third, our remaining exams will also all be done through Canvas. As before, please consult each exam's study guide on our class Canvas homepage to prepare for it. I will send you updated instructions on how to take each exam, which will be eventually accessible by clicking Quizzes on the left panel and then clicking the exam you want to take. I will send forthcoming Dang it. I will send I will send forthcoming instructions for each future exam soon. Fourth, because we will not have any class lecture anymore, I'm working furiously to make or give access to a ton of content videos, which should hopefully provide you with all the information you need to master the remaining concepts for this semester. Please stay tuned to Canvas announcements for future information on this subject. And fifth, along the way, I feel we really could benefit from some humor given the bleak, dreary, psychosis-laden fear that has gripped all of our bowels, metaphorically speaking. As a result, I will also try to upload a weekly funny video that has nothing to do with chemistry, just with funny. I hope that the funny can get us through these tough times. Okay, it's not going to cure any diseases, but it will help us laugh as we descend myopically into an early grave. Please stay safe. If you have any questions along the way, please let me know. Sincerely, me.